let's try our experiment about the magic water. Okay, or drawing on the plate with a marker. First, let's try to draw a small picture of a boy. Okay, just a small picture of a boy. And look, if I'm going to use my finger, what do you think is going to happen? If I'm going to rub my finger onto the marker, what do you think is going to happen? Aha, let's see. Yes, you see that? It came off. It disappeared. It's gone. That's the whiteboard marker. Now let's try the colored marker. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. If I'm going to draw the same thing, it's a boy. Okay, a small boy. And let's see, what do you think is going to happen if I'm going to rub it off? Will it disappear the same as the whiteboard marker? Let's see. Oh no, it's not. It didn't really disappear, right? Let's try if I'm going to use a tissue and I rub it. Yes, I rubbed it off, but I can still see a little mark there, and that's okay. All right, now let's try and do the whiteboard marker first, and we're going to draw a little boy. So I'm just going to, you can draw it on the side, in the middle, okay, up to you. So mine, I think I'm going to draw it in the middle. I'm just gonna draw a small one first. Okay, and then I'm going to, this time I think I'm going to do the girl. Okay, I'll try the girl. There you go. Okay, I tried the girl, and then, now what do you think is going to happen if I am going to pour water? Okay, what happens to the drawing? What do you think? Will it dissolve? Will it disappear? Let's try. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, ooh, look at that. Oops. You just have to do it slowly and gently. Can you see that? What's happening? My girl is dancing. Look. Oh dear. Look at that. It broke though, but they are dancing. Yeah. Look at that. It's floating. That's right. Woo, it's stuck together again. There you go. It's floating and it's dancing. Yay! Now, let's try and put it on the side. Okay, this time I'm going to get another plate. Okay, I'll just show you something. But that one looks fantastic already. So let's try, let's use the colored marker. Okay, we have to make sure that our plate is dry. Okay, there you go. I have the boy and I'm going to draw with the whiteboard marker. Okay, I'm going to draw the same thing, just a small one, and it's also a boy. Okay, they're friends and they're playing. So let's see what's going to happen to the colored, to the purple one, which is the colored marker, and to the whiteboard marker. Okay, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think they will both float? Let's see. I'm going to do it over here. Okay, and we're going to do it. Ooh, there you go. Ooh, what happened to the purple one? Oh, what happened to the purple one? Oh, that's right. The purple one just dissolved. Gone. Disappeared. But what about the whiteboard marker? The blue marker, what happened? It's still floating. That's right. It's still floating. Now, you can also try and draw. I just did a small picture or a small drawing of a boy, and then let's try if it's a big one. So I'm just going to mix this up over here. Okay, and then I'm going to get tissue and make sure that it's really dry. I'm just gonna show it to you. If you want to try and do it, you can, but if you don't want to, that's okay. All right, so I'm going to draw a bigger one. Okay, it's dry now. Okay, so I'm going to draw a big head and a longer body and the arm and then the hair. Okay, there you go. Let's see if it's gonna be the same. Is it gonna float or not? Okay, let's see. Let's see. There you go. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, la la. Ooh, let's see that. Ooh, yeah. It can also when you do it big one. And look, it's floating. Ah, there you go. Dancing. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that fantastic? And you can just move the plate slowly so you can see your picture moving or dancing or running. Yeah, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm a gingerbread man. Aha! There you go. Awesome, you guys. Now, what happened if we are going, look, as it's still floating. What happened if you're going to pick it up? What do you think is going to happen? Look. Wow, you see that? It's sticking on my finger. There you go. That's the ink now. Ooh, why do you think it goes like that? Now it won't come. Oh, there you go. It's still back. Yeah, but it's not the boy anymore. Why do you think? Why it floats? Why you put the whiteboard marker, you draw it on the plate, it floated when you put water. But why when you put the colored marker, it dissolved, it disappeared? Do you know why? It's because the whiteboard marker has a special ingredient in the ink. It's called polymer. Polymer prevents the ink from attaching to the plate. It's like oil. And the water can just slip through the ink because there's like oil inside it. Okay, that's why. And also, ink is lighter than water, so it can float. Okay, but this one dissolve in the water because it has alcohol to it, and alcohol can just dissolve in the water quickly. Okay, so that's our experiment for today. What you are going to do is you are going to clean. So when you clean up, make sure that you wash your plate carefully. If the ink doesn't come off, you have to get an alcohol and a tissue and wipe it with alcohol and a tissue so that it will come off. But make sure you wash it with soap, okay? Have fun!